أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله.
Once again, welcome to Hargeisa, Somaliland. If you come to Hargeisa and you do not go to New Hargeisa, then that is a bummer. Well, in my understanding, New Hargeisa is the rise in Hargeisa. On this adventure, Hamad and I explore New Hargeisa, focusing on the development, the changes, as well as the older parts of the district. Coming here did not feel strange at all. In fact, the lions welcomed me back home happily. Alright, maybe a little too happy. The way to the lion park was clear in my mind, and all the twisted streets did not disappear into my fuller, older mind. These lions have stayed here for a maximum of 20 years. They might be the ones I used to rush to see on every Eid at a young age, brimming with excitement, or they might be the toddler calves back then, and we have grown parallel. The development of this district is noticeable. From the fancy infrastructure, the clean and aesthetic roads, and the new mosques, which honestly brought the most joy to me in this journey. The unique Arabian style, the beauty of the marble, and the piece of paradise inside that mosque is all worth mentioning. I can't forget to mention where we spent our lunch. The CFC restaurant, which is located in the center of the district, offered us roasted Somali goat meat with a meal. It was nothing like any food I had in the past. That was the best Somali food I have ever had. By definition, it might be in the same category as my mom's Somali food, which is honestly quite unbeatable. Well, now if you get to this part of the video and you enjoyed that introduction, please don't leave without subscribing to this channel. And please leave a like and comment your ideas down below. Let's go and see the entire video now.
We came to CFCs. I haven't been here before, but Mohammed came to CFCs before, so he understands the food. He actually told me you can have all you can eat. Hagad maraysa saaxib? De waan yaabo nagu soo waday. De meekala nagu qadaye waxaad ka qaadan leedahay. And so it's just jokes where we found somebody driving towards us, so we have to talk to them. But you have to be smart and you have to learn how to interact with people. Long story short, we're going to CFCs to taste the food. But before we taste the food, guys, you need to see the road is here, look incredible. There's a different game going on in New Hargeisa. New Hargeisa has totally upped the game of the capital, right? So we're gonna go, even though we couldn't get over the mosque. Yeah, masaajidkii suwaka. So I just came to pray in the mosque, and I did not know there was going to be this beautiful mosque in New Hargeisa. MashaAllah. Like, it's one of the most beautiful mosques that I've been to Hargeisa. And you can just see the amount of architecture and the amount of work that has went into it. But it's really beautiful. And it's got two minarets, and one is up here, the other one is on there. So yeah, I'm just leaving the mosque, but before I leave, I'm gonna have to I couldn't leave, guys. I've been taking videos all over the mosque, and it's absolutely beautiful. We're heading to CFCs, but before we head to the CFCs, you need to see the mosque from the outside as well. This is what it looks like, the outside. incredible. Just a few days ago, I was coming across a few other mosques in Alamadda, and New Hargeysa is doing a different game. This is, mashallah, the most beautiful mosque in Hargeisa for now. I believe it's winning. So yeah, we're gonna head to CFCs. We've got a company here, my guy here. So let's go to CFCs and try some meat because we are actually hungry for the moment and we need to eat up. La ilaha illallah, it was beautiful. Ha, عادي مهين. So halkan aan ku qoran yahay masaajidka dib u dhiska masaajidka. So I think they just did a campaign a few weeks ago for the mosque and they rebuilt the mosque. We didn't know anything about this. I think we would have contributed to it, right? lacag baa loo soo ururiyay masaajidka waa la dhisay masha Allah aad buu qurux badan yahay imika xaalad fiican buu ku sugan yahay aniga maxamed labadeed buu ka iman karo masaajidka wax doonayna dhex joogno baa toodhan aan quraan ku akhrino intuu baan lagu keenay marka gaajoono ka soo beelayd but it's beautiful. So guys, let's go and see CFCs. Came in, we found a good spot. I have to take my sunglasses off because it's really hot and really sunny outside. But right now, as you can see, we need to eat. As you can see, we can eat now because we are both really hungry. Hiligi cunto la culna habay gaadhay and hilibgeel yeah gaajaa nahaysa yeah maanta baa lagu yeenay laakiin hilibgeel soo ma hilibgeel buu dhacaysa yes there you go. We are very hungry. It's now 1:30 and we came here I think by 12:30 and food is here. We have received goat meat. We have also received a lot of salad because I love salad. I'm a big fan of salad. And we also received some fruit. We also received some soup. So yeah, meat always has soup. You cannot eat meat without soup. That's pretty much the law for Somalis when they're eating meat. So take a look. I'm really hungry and I have to eat. But before we eat, you have to see what the food looks like. This is definitely the best place that you can come for food. Yeah, I think that's it. I don't know what else we can show you, but we can see if we can ask them to show us around. There is just rooms for people to eat, nothing other than that. There is washing area, and then I think the section on that part has a lot more to show. So yeah, we can see. So hilibgeel waan weynay hilib ari baan cunaynaa wali waxaan cunaynaa hilibkii riyaha waayo idaha lama cuni karayo idaha dad cunto yeah suuqa qabada and then maanta cadceed fara badan baa taagan so yeah so you get what xanuunsanaysa dad isku cunto so intaan cunaynaa insha Allah ilaahay noo barakeeyo idinka oo soo duceeyay hanagu caawriyina yeah naga warhaya hadda xanuunsanayna gaadhi nala soo gaara yeah xagga nagu soo gaara. This is it. CFCs for the last time. We're just getting the receipt and then we're gonna pay up and then we're gonna get the hell out of here. Alright guys, so we're heading out now, but before we leave, we've been offered drinks, we've been given drinks. So we're gonna take these drinks for outside because it's really hot. But thanks to CFCs, before we leave, we have to say really thank you to them. They've been really nice, food was really nice, so yeah. Thank you, CFC. Yeah, that's it. Alright, see you man. we just left CFC's. I think we had a very special goodbye from the team. They gave us free drinks and they also gave us free water. Yeah, I gotta have you know also yeah, I gotta fruit, hospitality. Yes, you guys should come. I think you would get something similar. So just go to CFC's. At the moment, we're just hitchhiking. We decided to walk from CFC's to the Lion Garden, which is nearby. We have about 20 minutes to walk there, and in the meantime, we can just keep filming. We can show you what the place looks like. The town, it's really beautiful. It's very sunny, and it doesn't get sunnier than this. It's very hot. Yeah. So I guess let's just see how long it takes to get there. And Mohammed, imse aad biyasid.
والله غار فربضان
صح.
ويفربدين
So socodka waa soo diyaar garoobay.
صعد كوالي ديار كروني تا العيد كل كستا هلا هاتي
Cagadaha biyaha.
كذا بيها ولا كذا بحيا
Yes, that's it. Thanks. But yeah, what's so shaky way yet. So just take a look at the road. All right, we just turned up at the gate of the Lion Garden. We walked a lot. We walked for about 20 minutes just to get here. The door is open, but we don't know what's going to happen here, if they're going to let us film. Let's hope they say we can film, because sometimes they don't let you. But yeah, let's see.
haddana waxaan soo gaarnay beertii libaaxyada aan idinka duubi doono muuqaalo qurux badan just nala socda okay
And we have to see the lion.
ha
Yeah.
yes we have to
This
see
is
the
it. Yeah. All right, guys, we just paid our fee. We actually paid $7 just to get into here and see the lions. The lions are in cages, so they don't have a lot of freedom and a lot of room to go around. They have enough room for the moment that they're sleeping, and I am finding it very difficult to think or to believe these lions are healthy. So I think they are pretty much sick because they're sleeping all the time and they're in a cage all the time. But who are we to judge? We're here watching them. So libaaxyadu waa kuna noo muuqdaan. Hey, maxaad malaynaysaa?
wallahi fiilinkayga horta waa markii ugu horeysaan arko
Sax.
libaax welibana aan naga soo soconnaa abtigay
صح my guy.
yes
Yeah.
marka
Marka soo taabanaysa baad
ha
inay libaax san ka taabtay.
ina libaax sakataas yes yes
So let's go actually.
okay
So egna libaax dhinaca kala labada laga gaari karaa.
yes
So I think we can get to see them. There's a lot of flies. I think this is where they release the lion and the lion goes out.
yes
But I don't know when they ever let the lion go out because it's dangerous. You can never let them out. Yeah.
wallahi what house haba
Yeah. I don't know. What about it, Gary? How can it get Gary?
nima gaariya xagga dibkiisi baan gaariya
Dibka laguma dhigo. Dibka haddii ku dhigto wuu ku dilayaa baalku. Dibka laguma dhigi karo moogta. Haddii dibka ku dhigto wuu kugu soo jeesanayaa.
marka attention baan doonaya
yeah 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 wala tashikiisa
aan soo
ay
jeedin
soo jeedino
dibka taabanay soo jeedin video qurux badan
bay dibka isku taabarin dibku doonaya inuu taabto you can see Ahmed is he's a lion himself yeah
yeah
yeah but
yeah boy
and actually backstory Mohammed waxa jirtay magaranaysa beri anigoo yar intaan waxa jirtay beri anigoo yar
yes
libaaxa berihiisa marka la keeno ma aqoon inuu libaaxu day ku cunayo
صح
deetana birahan ku dhigi jiray anigu markay imaado faraha ku qabsan jiray deetana berigaas ay igu xasuus badnayd goroyadan waan ka baqi jiray libaaxana laabtan shabaka saar jiro gacmaha ku dhigi jiray so back story taas aniga igu dhacday dadku dhow igu qayleen maanta ma ogeyn waxa dhacay laakiin marka waliba libaaxu uu socon jiro dad badan markay maadaan ciid energy fara badan buu u soconay aad buu soconay so yeah I guess
tahay iska nasanaya inkastoo dee duhur tahay uu nasanaya
waana aararkii ku nidaa
waana aararkii kuma jirto
what is really kind of irritating is the fact that they are in such a small cramped space and they need more freedom, and maybe it would be better if they have actually planted grass or brought cut out grass into the space so that it's more comfortable, because for the moment they sleep on tires and they live on tires. So I think that's something that the owner of the park could have done better in order to have at least a more healthier or more comfortable lions in here. I really don't know. They cannot get healthy for as much as they are in these very small cages. Yeah, when we don't have a national park at the moment in Hargeisa, so I think they're thinking about creating a national park for the outside locations where there is more grass and more grazing areas. And I think if we make that happen, that would be really, really good. So yeah, we're getting a lot of goodbyes from the lions. Time for us to go because it's getting late and I have to be at home at 4. And yeah, that's it. Time for us to go. All good. Have told you about all the lions. They've been here for a very long time. I think approximately for over 40 years or 30 years, some of them. But I've never heard of a lion dying in this location. All I know is that they stayed here for a very long time. So yeah, yeah, we're going. We are about to head out, but before we go, we have to check out the show area because they also have show area where they host shows and events. If you have an event going on, if you are a performer and you want to perform, this is where you perform. They have a really, really beautiful stage and they have a really beautiful entrance. Look at this. I think this is the greenest entrance I've ever seen in Hargeisa. So yeah, had enough of the lion, but of course you can also come here for shows. That's what you don't know. So yeah, that's it. There is a lot of cleaning and a lot of renovation that should be done in here because this is such a beautiful place. But I guess you have to go with what you have for that moment. Is this all yours?
yeah hees baan idin qaadaya imika waxa weeyaan heesta idin qaaday hees xilligan oo kale jawigan oo kale ku habboon aan idin qaado jooga maskaxdeydii wareejiye heestii maxamed bk bay igu soo dhacday casar liiqaad galabtii markaad eegta cimilada caynkoodii oo kale ayaad ii cajabisee
عدردي هوينكي علف وهالكيسي عبيتانك النولشي سيدا ديدا عانا قليلا دن عاشق عيني وعيني
Mohammed BK from Mohammed.
yes محمد بك from محمد
Yes, sir. Oh, good. We did good. All right, so we just prayed in this mosque, and now it's time to go. We are leaving here. Mohammed is here, very tired for the moment.
yeah
So we go home.
yeah
Yeah,
xaafadii baan kala tegaynaa
yeah.
Yeah.
Just sit. Yeah, guriga la aaday. Yes.
like share comment
And subscribe. That's it. All of it.
قليلا دن عاشق عيني وعينك يا حبيبي